morning. This is Silvio with High Rise Industries. Our newest project, we are in East Rockaway. I'll show you guys a little bit what we're doing. Taking down this house. Completely demolition of this house. Okay. Now we are going to be doing a knockdown, installing about 40 pilings in here, and then eventually building a new foundation about 8 feet off the ground from here. Bring you guys a little close while we are doing this knockdown. Well, it was necessary to do it. Take a look at the existing foundation. Okay, during last year Sandy, this house got lifted up off its foundation and put back down after the flood waters rushed out. Now, you can see from here how everything is crumbling. This foundation deteriorated to a point that the homeowner decided completely built brand new. Let's go back in here and I'll show you. This area hasn't been demoed yet, but look at in between those two blocks. You guys can see the air from one side to the other. Nothing holding this house to this foundation. Okay? Look at it. Mortar joints are gone. So take this house down. I'm going to build a brand new one. Sound and secure, high and dry, for future storms to come. Let me go back to work. Okay. It snowed last night, and we're going to finish this off today. Next phase will be our pilings are going to be coming in here, installing the helical piles, pod caps, and then build a brand new foundation about 8 feet off the ground. Okay. See you guys on the next stage. Thank you. Okay. This is the end right here. This morning the house was here. Now the house is gone. This is Silvio with High Rise Industries. We successfully demolished this house, and our next step will be the excavation for the pilings and the helical pile installation on this house. Alright? Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.